Hi there. For those that don't know me, I'm Mrs. Gina Linnenkugel, Bridgetown Middle School's art teacher. I wanted to take a few minutes of your time to congratulate some of my students. I have had these students for 3 years in a row. First, I want to tell all of my current eighth graders that I have enjoyed you in my class this year, and some of you guys for 2 or 3 years during your time here at Bridgetown. I loved watching you grow as students and artists and as people. I hope that you all keep creating and wish you the best at the high school level. I would like to specifically point out a few of our Bridgetown eighth graders. They have been in my class for 3 years and they have become amazing artists through their time here with me. I'm super excited to see what they do at the high school and continue in their art and creating. Congratulations to the following: Bree Kahn, Elena Fernading, Rain McGrim, Allie Martini, Cora Monstock, Layla Salvaggio, and Emily Smith. Congratulations, all of you young women. I can't wait to see what you create once you get to the high school, and keep creating. Take care. Happy summer. Be safe. Enjoy your family. Where's my head button?